Good afternoon, hi-ho farmers. Healthy in, healthy out. Sorry I've been gone for a minute, but I've been taking care of my grandma. She was a little bit sick. Now that she's doing better, I can get back to making videos again. We missed everybody, so we'll get back to doing what we do best. And as you can see, we have a brand new worm bin started about a week and a half ago, which is in a refrigerator that is no longer running, so we decided to make one huge worm bin. Right now I'm going to feed them some scraps, which are plantain peels, a banana peel, some strawberry, and an apple. So here we go. Sure. We also have cow manure in here. Our castings are looking amazing so fast. It's nice and moist in here. Not very deep yet, you see. This is just strictly cow manure. But I'm going to go ahead and clear a spot so I can put some food in here for them and let them eat up. Alright, so we're going to see how long it actually takes them to eat this supply, because this is a very, very big supply of food. I'm guessing about 2 weeks. I'm going to just cover everything back up lightly. Put my stick here on the side. It doesn't feel like it needs to be moist, wet anymore. If you can see, the newspaper is fairly moist. And that's about all for right now, and I'm happy to be back. I'll have another video within the middle of next week. Say hi, Maja.
Hey, Mommy.
Maja.
Hi.
Say see you later, hi-ho farmers.
See you later. Healthy and healthy out.